Alright, people, good morning. Good morning, everyone. Where are we? There we go, awesome. Alright, what's going on, people? Welcome back. Let me get the Zoom guys in here. The sun is in my eyes. Let's get rid of the waiting room. Let's get everyone in here on Zoom. What time is it? 1:45. Alright. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, Zoom guys. Good morning. Good morning, YouTube guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Hey mate, what's going on, man? Hey Chris, what's going on, man? Yeah, pretty decent push up on gold today, the Asian session. Pretty decent push up. It's creating a bit of a range. Copper's not really doing too much. But we'll break it all down soon here in a second. Gold's coming for the all-time highs as well, which is nice. Nah, he didn't grab these lows, but here you grabbed some lows, flip bullish. You could have had some buys on that one. Could have had buys there for 50 plus ticks. But yeah, just a range here anyway. Good morning, everyone. Let me grab a charge. I'll be 2 seconds. Oh, sorry, I was on mute there. But nah, yeah. As long as you grabbed some lows, who cares? Yeah, you can definitely just take it. There wasn't any reason that you had to come and grab these lows. You're just in a bit of range. You break out, grab lows, close bullish, all-time highs. Boom. You wouldn't really want to trade in anything in this range. Once this broke out, not really too much. Or maybe once this grab lows, maybe re-break the highs. But yeah, just a bit of a range on Goldie to start the day. Coming for them
Recording in
highs,
progress.
Though. We are coming for them all-time highs. Where are we? Let me pin this. And people got tuned in. 70 people tuned in. You guys on YouTube, drop a little like for the stream. See what Goldie brings today. See if we get these buys into these all-time highs. Already kind of coming in pretty nicely here. Anyone who is selling here on gold, stops are going to be massively above these areas. So if you re-break these highs here on gold, you could see a very nice spike. A very, very nice spike. How close? Let's have a look, man. The Lambo's bright green. Bright green, man. Let's have a look. How many are we off? Are we going to hit it today? I think we can hit it today. We're 11 off. 11 off. How do we change it to... Yeah, we're 11 off, man. Yeah, new Lambo celebrate 20k, absolutely. Yeah, copper micros on top step, which is very cool. Very, very cool. Good to see top step adapting as always. Hey, Antonio, Rocky, what's going on? Welcome back. Welcome back, everyone. But yeah, pretty much today on gold, very simple. We're just looking for buys into all-time highs. No sells on gold. You have all-time high liquidity. And that's all we're pretty much trying to buy into today. We're trying to buy up into the fact that anyone who is short here on gold, stops are going to be above these all-time highs, looking for this big play down call. So we want to be looking for this nice buy up into that liquidity. Buy up into these highs. The hourly here on gold, about to close back bullish. So maybe a bottom wick on the next hour, and we can look for them longs. Even from where you're at, you know, from here up into all-time highs, it's like 26 ticks away. So it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Took 25 ticks while my IT teacher was busy. Awesome. Morning, Alan. Hello, Gennaro. Yeah, what's going on, man? Now, if you're on the TopStepX platform, you can use TopStepX web browser though, but not an app. Nah, just a web browser, man. Let's have a look. Goldie on the 5-minute here. Try to see if we get these buyers up again today. Copper is in a very ugly range today, so I'm not going to really be looking at copper too much. Just in a very messy range. Called the copper sales down yesterday in the New York session for about 70 plus ticks. On a team, good morning, man. Up 53 ticks for the day. Awesome. That's amazing. That's very nice. If we hit 20k subs today, maybe we'll do another giveaway for something. Maybe we'll do a giveaway for 1 month into the community, maybe. Let's see. Let's see. Making me blush already. Look at this. Hello, Aaron. Looking extra cute today. Lambo giveaway. Yeah, alright. Done. Done. Could you see this 5 flip from here on gold? Last 5 of the hourly. 20 plus ticks into the highs if you could see this flip. 5 ticks, we got it. 5 ticks, easy. Easy. Probably like down here. Probably take risk of somewhere down there. If it breaks aggressively below, you can probably get out before that. But as long as you kind of hold this area on gold, all-time highs are pretty close. Running 80 ticks right now. Amazing, Brad. Good work, man. Amazing hold. 80 ticks, where'd you get in from, man? That down there? Wow, huge. If you're going from around there. That was a pretty nice grab of lows, closed bullish. Came down, held support. Very nice push. Very nice push. Now, if we hit 20k, I'll do a 1 month giveaway into the community. You guys on Zoom can enter as well. I'll just give you the whole month for free. Only if we hit 20k today, though. So you need to go tell your friends, family, and everyone to come and join the streams. That was weird. That 5 minute was like flipping bearish, but did anyone see that? That 5 minute was like closing bearish, but all of a sudden went blue, as if it was green. As if it was bullish, I mean. That was weird. Let's see, we've got 3 minutes till we're going to get this hourly close here on gold. We have some beautiful upside targets. Some beautiful upside targets today on gold. Hey, Alad, what's going on, man? What up, man? What up? Yeah, I want to see this See this out because you could easily push from here, to be honest. Not a bad place to average in some buys. Let's see, did I start the recording already? Yeah, cool. I haven't really traded Asia at all. I haven't really watched the markets very much today. It's been pretty... Had a big push up, big push down, big push back up. One big massive range. I saw that, man. Congrats on the payout, man. It's amazing work. It's incredible, man. Very, very well deserved, man. Been putting in that work. Good job, man. Good job. Love to see it. Congrats, man. 7K payout is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, all good, Alad. All good, man. All good. Good to see you tuning in. Alright, we've got 1 minute to this hourly close here on gold. Coming up to 7 AM London time. Yeah, copper's not really going to do too much today. Oh, we did actually come down on copper. Oh, wait there. I am admitting that I am an idiot. I thought this was the copper chart. This is the oil chart. So what is copper up to? Maybe copper is moving. Yeah, copper is moving. I thought that was the copper chart. I couldn't see the name at the top. That is not the copper chart. This is the copper chart, and copper is moving today. Copper's moving quite a lot, actually. You came up. What have we done so far today on copper? We've came up. We've grabbed the highs. What have we not yet done? We've not come down to grab the lows. So if we can see a pullback on copper, because it's a pretty aggressive push down, potential pullback on copper, and we can see some shorts down into here. So copper could be interesting, actually. I was looking at oil. Maybe I haven't had enough caffeine today. I was looking at oil. So we'll keep an eye on copper. Nice hourly close here on gold. Let's see if we're gonna get that bottom wick. Very nice. 15-minute close as well. 30-minute close, also very nice. Let's see the 5-minute close. Doji just created a very nice double top. Double top, or did you grab it? You did just grab it. No, don't do that. Don't do that. It's not wild. It's caffeine catching up. I know. Maybe if you re-break these highs here on gold, you could see a pretty decent push. On the break of them highs, you got about 12. Not bad. Not bad. I don't actually, Brad. The only one we do have confirmed for 2025 is Bali. I'll probably do one around maybe like July time as well. Probably more one based in Europe somewhere potentially. Josiah, welcome, man. Welcome. Good to have you as a member. Yeah, Europe for an extra treat would be good because then more people can actually attain that one. Because there's a lot of you guys on that side of the world that can't, so definitely want to do one that side as well. So it's a long way for you guys who are traveling halfway across the world to come to Bali. Well, so yeah, one that side of the world would be very good. How many subs till 20k? 11 11. We're 11 away. Thank you. Yeah, absolutely, man. Pleasure to have you in. Let me just turn this up a little bit. Let me just see if that's too loud. 2 seconds. Goldie coming back down for the previous 5 lows. No buys just yet. Kind of holding some resistance here. Holding some resistance here. Holding some support. Yeah, you tell him, Alan. You tell him. Had a really good week trading. Yeah, we've had an incredible. We've had some amazing calls in Discord. New York and the Asian session markets, we've had some, yeah, incredible calls. We called like 70 ticks gold copper sells yesterday as well. From here. Where was it? Drew, where was it? Drew these up in our, somewhere like that. Drew these up in our New York stream yesterday. To come down and grab these lows. Didn't quite come down to lows, but you still hit way over 70 ticks. You'd have locked in, wrong one. You would have locked in way more than that anyway. So it was the copper trade yesterday. What's Goldie up to here? Goldie having a little bit of a dip down here. I don't like this just yet. Not yet. Yeah, we've had a fantastic week. An absolutely fantastic week. We had some amazing calls on copper and on gold. We called some pretty decent gold sells down into a big trend line yesterday as well. Decent sell off for this resistance on gold. Let's have a look. Is there any reason to go short? I mean, you're in one big range. You're respecting resistance. Yeah, you do have all-time highs, but you're respecting a big level of resistance. Next support would be down there. I would consider some sells, flip buy sells, if we if the 15 or maybe 30 closes bearish. Reconsider some sells to come down and play this range. You're just in a big range here. But you're clearly forming some sort of resistance there. So if we want to see longs, maybe once you re-break the 30-minute highs, could look for it. Yeah, so much liquidity at all-time highs, but kind of like last time, it's like you could still pull back like 200-300 plus ticks before grabbing it, like easily. So we just kind of have to we do have to be aware of that. And if we do get a strong bearish 30 close, yeah, I'd look to play this range. Gold to get no, yeah, gold to get no. I took a little stab at some sells, some buys there, but after that 5-minute close bearish, not really worth it. We'll wait. Copper coming down. Copper's already had a very decent push. What time was that? There was sells on copper at about 4 AM London time. After you rip the highs and close bearish. Oh, what have I just done? What have I done? What have I broken? Here. Once you rip the highs, close bearish, you could have taken sells here on copper. Short that next candle, coming down about 60 plus ticks. A bit nicer than gold so far. But to short copper now, you've already had a decent push. Alad, look at this. Alad getting the stories in there. Good man. Good man. Yeah, respected all-time highs for ages, man. For ages. And if you were just looking for the buys last month, you would have missed out on some huge sells as well. So we definitely don't want to be just glued to buys. But after the hour, he did close bullish. I won't be shorting gold till probably the next hour. But yeah, last time it was the amount of times that you did reject them all-time highs was crazy before you ripped it, and it gave some amazing shorts. But like if you were, like you built up liquidity here for like what, a couple of weeks, I think. You started this in August, built up this liquidity for pretty much most of September, and then you eventually ripped it. That's kind of what we saw yesterday. Is you still had these amazing like 400, 500 tick pullbacks, 350 tick pullback, 260 tick pullback before then eventually you did actually rip them. So you do, yeah, we do have to be wary of that. Buying all-time highs, even anywhere around, trading all-time highs in general is very risky. I took them, stab at them buys before, but it's only a combine trade. I'm personally not trading personal all-time highs. Pretty, what is that? Is it 21? What's that? 30, yeah, a little 30 tick sell off there. I mean, even the 30 though hasn't broken above yet. It kind of did break above here, but I mean, all of this from here all the way to here is still one big massive area. All of that. Unless this 30 flips bullish. If this 30 flips bullish, great, I'll take longs. If you don't flip bullish, you're just gonna range. In anywhere in here, maybe you could create a big range. Create a pretty big range on gold. Trade out the rest after the day. Good work, Brad. Good job. Amazing work, man. Amazing work. How many did you get out of that, man? How many ticks did you get? Where did you get in from, man? Did you get in from down here? Yeah, with the hourly actually, you got in at let me see, man. You got in at 26.76, 26.76. Half risk now, half risk, man. You still made a great trade. 26.76 from like around here. Very nice trade, man. 70 plus ticks, huge trade, man. Even at half risk, even full risk, that's still like 30 plus ticks. It's a very nice trade, man. A very, very nice trade. Look at this 4 hour kind of in a big range. 4 hour close bullish, came down, came to the highs, in a bit of a range. Let me get my ninja up just in case. Mark, who's Mark? I don't know who that is. Yeah, copper coming for the lows, which is nice. I don't know who Mark is. Anyone know who Mark is? I don't know who that guy is. Yeah, copper's coming down very nice. The best shorts on copper was here though. Trying to short it here is a bit meh. A bit meh. Kind of already had the big push. Yeah, how's oil? That's a great question. I don't know why I had oil up there. Nothing, just in case anyone's still wondering. Absolutely zero. Absolutely zero. Yeah, bright green one, man. Bright blue one, actually. I changed my mind. Petition for Aaron to rent out a Lambo when he hits 50k. We bought one today, man. Bought one today. I don't know what you mean. But yeah, with that hourly closing bullish on gold, the only way I would sell gold is if the next hourly like maybe fakes out back below here. You did actually break above this nice resistance. If you fake out of it, you break back below, cool, we'll go sells. But this could easily be a bottom wick, reflip bullish, and spike up. So buys if this flips bullish, sells if you fake out. Two pretty easy, easy scenarios here for gold. $20K 20-hour stream. Yeah, starting now. What time would that be until? Ooh, we got one more. Now we're 10 off. We are 10 off. If we hit 20K, we'll do a giveaway today. Another one, I know. Another one. Coming back down, decent rejection here on gold. Remember, if there's 30 flips bullish, we'll have some longs. 5-minute kind of forming a nice little morning star here. Came down and re-grabbed the lows. Sorry, wrong screen. Came down, grabbed the lows. Nice morning star. If you hold above, you could have some buys. One day, man. One day. One day. What a beast. I'd love to see us 5-minute get back above this level for some longs. 15-minute. Pretty decent grab with some 15-minute lows. Not a bad area. Yeah, that's the brand new one, man. 2024 model. Let's see if we're going to hold this area or not. Let's see, let's see. So everything been up to this week. Oh, look at that big spike on NASDAQ. Big spike on NASDAQ. Pretty messy. Not much as you do have yeah, look at that copper smashing the lows. Absolutely smashing the lows. What a push. Rip the highs and then rip the lows. Crazy push. Crazy, crazy push. Yeah, 30 definitely did, yeah. The even that well, not this current 30, the previous 30 come up, grab the highs. You had a liquidity target, you had a decent breakout, you had liquidity to the highs. Yeah, it did. I just think the nicest one would have been from here, because if you kind of short this one, stops would have almost had to be like there. Whereas this one, stop would be above these areas. 100 ticks. Crazy. 4 AM London time. What a push. Beautiful push. Beautiful, beautiful push. That's a huge, 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 huge grab. Huge grab. $15 here on gold. Trying to hold the lows. If I want longs though, I want to see fake out buys back above here. You break above this level, you break below, you push down. You break above, you break below, you have a big push down. You broke above, you broke below. Could we see that push down? Maybe. If we close back above, great. That could be good enough for longs. Like I say, for shorts, I'm not shorting just yet, personally. Only short on hourly fake outs and buys on a 15-minute. Hourly fake out for sells, 15-minute fake out for buys. $150 people tuning on YouTube. You guys drop a little like for the stream. Drop a little like. Come on, Goldie. Give us them longs. All-time highs really aren't that far away. Be interesting to see if we rip them today, especially with news later on as well. We do have news today. We have core retail sales, 1:30 London time, and then unemployment claims. That was actually a beautiful grab of the lows on copper. Really, really nice short there on copper. Again, copper from the past like hour has been way nicer than gold so far. Really, really nice setups on copper. Oh, you had AUD unemployment rates today as well. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I wonder if AUD USD grabbed them lows. Did he grab the lows? No, he didn't. Well. Big push though. What a rip. Huge, huge rip. Just create a bit of a range here on gold. Creating a bit of a range. Anything else you guys are looking at? Feel free to post it in. We can have a little look at some other pairs. Doesn't have to just be futures. You guys look at any currencies, anything like that. We can take a look whilst we're waiting for gold to shape up a little bit. Plenty of time here for gold. Not gonna see too much yet. We've got plenty of time. Plenty of time. You got buys maybe on the next 15 and only sells into the next hour. So yeah, NQ's yeah. I did have a look at NQ. NQ's had a crazy push already. Huge trendline breakout there, and a big rip. So many highs there to come and grab. Even here. Boom, absolutely ripping. What's ES up to? Yeah, both ripping as well. Really, really, really big pushes there. Dow's lagging behind. Any news? I don't know. I haven't, not that I've seen anyway, but it wouldn't surprise me if there was, because that is a very big push. Especially for the London session. I don't think so, though. No, I don't think so. Yeah, it's a very, 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 very decent push. A very decent push. Crude oil, yeah, let's have a look at oil. I was watching oil, well, apparently I was watching oil before. We did speak about this on oil yesterday. Let me bring you Zoom guys up. I wish I could just change the screen. On oil, we spoke about oil yesterday, coming up to grab these highs before then grabbing the lows. You literally came up, perfectly grabbed the highs and then came straight for the lows. Now you're just in, you're back in the range. That $70 level is a very, very, very strong support. Very, very strong support. And you kind of see yesterday, you did actually come down and grab, you grabbed Tuesday's lows and you still held that 70 region as a very nice support. So could it be time to see a pullback after holding this area? Maybe, you know, back up into these areas. Maybe grab some daily highs. Was that a big gap on oil over the weekend as well? No. But yeah, potentially to see oil come up for a retrace, maybe into like the 72, 72.50. Wouldn't be too crazy. Yeah, I'm watching gold. Got my eye on gold, man. soon as we get that 15 fake out on gold, we'll look for some longs again. We'll look for some longs. But yeah, you could see some upside on oil. I would want to see a pretty decent breakout though, or at least price to get maybe back above these regions. If you get back above there, great. You could be looking, you know, come back up 72, 72.50. Yeah, nice work, Chris. Good job, man. Appreciate it. What are we at? We're 6 away. 6 subscribers away from 20k. We hit 20k. I'll do a 1-month access giveaway into the community. You guys on Zoom can enter as well. 6 subscribers away. That's crazy. Not quite back above. I really want to see that 15 fake out for longs. I really want to see that 15 fake out. Because if we can't fake out, you know, you can just create a bit of a range, which I don't really want to get trapped in. We got 5 minutes till this 15 is going to close, so let's just be patient and wait for it, because it's really going to tell us quite a lot. Nah, I wouldn't buy copper just yet, man. The daily's overall bearish. There's no reason to buy copper. You came up, you grabbed some highs, you've had a very nice rip down. You've also grabbed daily highs, you're re-breaking the lows, flipping bearish. Nah, copper could come down quite a lot. I wouldn't be trying to catch the bottom on copper, man. There's no reason to try and jump in longs. Not when the market is this bearish on copper. It's a really nice push down, actually. It's a really, really nice push down. If you want longs on copper, you'd want to see a very steep 30-minute rejection or like an hourly fake out. Let's have a look. Where are we? What day is it today? 17th. This month is flying by. We've got 2 more months this year. It's crazy. Absolutely crazy. Yeah, copper on a big sell-off. Huge dip on copper. Huge, huge, huge dip. Christmas in 9 weeks. Holy shit, that's crazy. Don't tell me that. In 9 weeks, that's crazy. That's crazy. I'm trying to plan also, you guys on in Discord, trying to plan some sort of Christmas party as well. Not really like a party, but like a little Christmas meetup. That'd be good for us all to do something around December time. I'm trying to plan some stuff in the background as well as trying to plan the retreat. B-Day in 3 days. Well, that will be on the weekend, man. So, wait, 3 days? That'll be on Sunday. So I won't see you on Sunday, man. So happy birthday for your birthday in 3 days, man. Yeah, Christmas meetup sounds cool. Yeah, it'll be good. I'll try and plan something as soon as I can because it's not too far away. It'll probably be around maybe mid-December or maybe early December. Try and get it on a weekend or something. Casino just opened. The casino did just open in Brisbane and I still haven't yet been. That is a very, very good point. And I think me and Mark were just talking about that today. And we just hit 20k subscribers on YouTube. 20k subscribers on YouTube. Appreciate everyone who subscribed. Thank you very much. Been posting here for like 3 years. 3+ years we've been posting on YouTube. So to finally hit 20k is amazing. Appreciate all of you guys who have taken the time to subscribe, tune into the streams over the past few years. Absolutely amazing. 20k is fantastic. Next stop, 50. I appreciate all of you guys who subscribed. That's an amazing, amazing achievement. Thank you, everyone. Thank you very much. I guess that means giveaway. If this 15 doesn't fake out in 1 minute, I guess it's giveaway time. Giveaway time. Look at that W's in there. Amazing. I appreciate you guys. 20,000. Look at that. Huge. 20,004. 20k on black. Alright, James is banned from the Christmas party. The bad influence. Congrats, Aaron. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, thank you. I appreciate you guys. Waiting for that Rolex giveaway. Alright, we'll do it. Wait, we might get a 15 fake out here on gold. Wait a minute. Not ninja. There we go. Nightbot. Good job, man. Thank you, man. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you guys. Taking over these London streams. Lambo giveaway, easy. Lambo giveaway at 100,000. Congrats, thank you, man. Thank you, everyone. I appreciate you guys. He said it. No, don't you dare clip that. Alright. About to get a 15-minute fake out here on gold, so I'll do the giveaway in a second. Let me just see this here on gold. 20k means 20 lots, I think we said. Bottom wick on this 30, and we could have some longs. 30s come down, rip the lows, held a very, very nice level of support. A very, very nice level of support. I don't really like the 5-minute. 15-minute fake out's pretty nice. I'm not in anything just yet, guys. I'm just looking. What would this look like? I wouldn't want to risk off any more than that. To come up and re-grab all-time highs. About 30 ticks. 20k means 20 lots. Let's see. I mean, as long as you hold above here, you're good to push up on gold. Let me see. I'm not in this just yet. I'd like to see a little bit more. A lot of hard work and dedication. Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, it is. I've been posting for a long time, man. I'm not in this, by the way, yet, guys. I'll tell you guys when and if I do. I'd like to see just a little bit more of a bottom wick. I mean, you can take off this level, but you're going to have to, you know, hard stop down there, manage if you aggressively close back below here. I'd rather see a steeper bottom wick and try and take the break of the highs. But that was a pretty nice 30-minute close. You came down, you ripped the lows, you held this massive level of support. You have liquidity here, here, and here. Now that's a nicer bottom wick. That's a nicer bottom wick. It would be a 30-minute trade, though. Yeah, 20 to 50. Yeah, it should be, man. Hopefully. 20 contracts on this trade. For 20k subs. Alright, you got it. What, the stops? 14? Nah, way too big. I think we'll get a nice, even if this 5-minute closes bullish, I think we'll get a nice entry. Because you didn't really grab too much down here. You didn't really grab very much. It's the only reason I'm a bit hesitant. If this had, you know, grabbed some previous 5 lows, I'd be like, yeah, cool, this looks good. But you're not really grabbed too much. So maybe if this 5 will close doji, next 5-minute will come down, grab the lows. And we can get a better stop loss if you execute from here. It's fine. We just have to have stops down there. I don't imagine this 5 is just going to rip an absolute moon, so I think we'll have time. FC is 5 minute close. All right, let's do the giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway of 1 month's access to come and trade and learn with us in Discord for the whole next month for absolutely free. You guys in Zoom, you can enter as well. Go onto YouTube, and the keyword will be 20k. Keyword's 20k. What you got to do is type in 20k in the chat to be in the to be in the chance of winning.
I was gonna say Lambo should be the keyword.
Lambo, yeah, that should have been. You guys can come and join us the whole month of well, until the 17th of November for absolutely free. You get the whole community, the whole course, the whole strategy. 2+ market calls every single day. Gold's having a big push. Strong 5 close and we'll enter on the next one. Absolutely everything. We'll do it plus 5 minute close because this next 5 may give us the better entry. Let's see this 5 close. Yeah, spam that 20k. Look at you guys spam in the chat. Beautiful. And I'll move you across. Oh, wrong one. Just broken everything. Alright, 10 seconds. We're doing 10 seconds. You guys on Zoom, make sure you jump over and get in. Nice, Frankie. Nice. Good man, I'm going to get it in as well in a second. Alright, let's do it. Move Zoom out the way. You ready? Boom. Antonio, there you go. Antonio, good job, man. Antonio has won the 3-month free access. Good job, man. Luck is insane. Skill, pure skill. Good job, man. I'll get 5 close here in a second. Much in the trade. Yeah, drop me a message on Discord, man. I'll give you next month for absolutely free. Congrats, man. Good job. Another one. One more? No. Fake. We want more. More? Yeah, it was a scam. Alright, 5 minute just kind of finding some resistance here on gold. I wanted to see this 5 close strong so we can get in. This is what I'm pretty skeptical of. You just bought a Lambo. This 5's come down, grab lows. If we re-break these highs, that could be nicer. You got a valid stop here as well. Let's see. This has come down and just grabbed the 5 minute lows. So now we can risk off that low. If this does close bullish. Let's see. This greens, you deserve another one. Yeah, Antonio, make sure to drop me a message on Discord or Instagram, man. We'll hook it up. And good job to everyone who entered. I appreciate you guys getting to 20k. Great milestone there. Yeah, nice one, Antonio. Give you the next month completely free, man. Drop me over your email address and I'll sort it to you after this, man. I'll do it right now. So we could have buys on the break of this high here on gold, or maybe just a strong 5 minute close here bottom wick. You're building up a lot of liquidity here, but it is also a very, very strong level of resistance. So we either buy on the break of this high, or strong close, very quick little bottom wick. We risk off that low, very tight stops, 10 to 12 ticks, and then boom. All right, Antonio, let me do it. Let me do it right now. Let me have a look, man. Until I get this, unless this 5 pushes. Let me have a look, man. I'll just give you a refund for whatever you just. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let me see, where's your email? I know, I really want to see this 5 just close bullish so I can get in. There you are, Antonio. Antonio, I have just refunded you for last month. A strong 5 close here, and I'll look to get in here. I'm not in anything just yet, personally. There you go, Antonio. You just got refund for last month, man. Good job, man. Good job. Refunds for everyone. Community's free forever. Congrats to 28. Thank you, man. Goldie having a push here. As long as we don't rip these highs, we still have buys. Remember, you could spike out these all-time highs and actually spike quite aggressive here. This is what I'm skeptical of. I don't want to get stuck in shit like this. But there's a lot of liquidity up here. There's a lot of liquidity. I'm not in anything yet, guys. Strong 5 close here. Quick bottom wick. Management here and here, but seeing if we can spike this much higher. Your stop loss of like 13 ticks max. Doogie twin set. Bowl, let's give away. Yeah, easy. Done. Don't do it, Goldie. Give me a second. Instant bottom wick on this next 5, and I'm going to go long here. Yes, minimum 17. Bank 6 Asia. Chill today. Yeah, good job, man. Good job. Amazing work. I didn't trade Asia today, but it looks pretty choppy. Let's see, 26 seconds. Quick bottom wick here on gold. And I'm going to look for some longs. If it's an instant bottom wick, you can just mark execute. Let's see, let's get that. Make sure that order filled noise is on. Oh, don't grab the highs. Let me see, let me see. Quick bottom wick. Are we going to get it? Bottom wick. Gold. Hello? Gold almost made me say a cuss word. Finger was on the trigger here to click buy as soon as we got a quick bottom wick. Yeah, it makes me say many cuss words as well, yeah. Many cuss words. Multiple times a day. You still haven't grabbed that all-time high. You're very close to it, but you still haven't grabbed it. That's crazy. No bottom wick on this current 5. Damn it. Yeah, copper could have a... I'm watching this hourly close on copper to see if you hold respect and support or not. Yeah, quick 10, man. Yeah, it was a nice... Here it was nice. I mean, even if we took this 5, we'd be out of break even anyway. No. Well, that's unfortunate. All I wanted was just a very, 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 very little quick bottom wick on this 5. Only up 15, but we would be break even there. Seeing if we could spike it much higher, but that's a record new all-time high here on gold. A record all-time high here on gold. Witnessing a lot of history today. You know what's interesting is this daily rejection was huge. Like, do you reckon this could be a liquidity grab of the daily high and still close respecting and have a deeper pullback on gold? Maybe. To grab these highs in the London all-time highs in the London session, is pretty crazy. To be honest, like, even if I look at this 30, it's like, yeah, to be honest, the 30 was kind of nice. You grabbed the lows, you held it, but I mean the risk to reward, it wasn't the best. do I think there's much missed here? Not really, to be honest. That 30 was nice, you know, where you came down, you grabbed the lows, you held the support. But, you know, you got to have a hard stop of like 25. And you got a target of like 30, so 1-to-1. Not bad. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Not amazing. But now you're grabbing these all-time highs. Anything can happen from here. You could have some decent retracements from here on gold. Nah, Nasdaq, yeah, Nasdaq boomed, man. Yeah, Nasdaq had a huge push as well. I don't know if there was any news, but that was a crazy push on Nasdaq. Ash will be loving that one. Where's Ash? Ash will be milking that. You know, come on here and say, told you so. It's a crazy push. Especially for London as well. This is what's so interesting, these big pushes before news today. Yeah. Nice call there. You know, to be honest, like this 5 minute here would have been nice. But after it closed, like grabbing the highs, closing bearish, to be honest, I can say I would have held, but realistically from a scalping perspective, I would have been out that trade. I would have been out. And then, you know, you could have said like on the rebreak of this high, but it's like you have to manage so aggressively, because as soon as you start coming into these levels, we can reverse. So yeah, not a very easy one to execute. Personally, I personally haven't taken any personal trades today. I haven't taken a single personal trade. The day's still young. The day is still young. Still cool direction. Yeah, nice call. Really nice call in the direction. It's a shame you messed around here so much. You know, you came down, then you came back up, then you came back down, then you came up. Kind of sums up pretty much what Asia did as well, I think. Bullish here for gold and Aaron's YouTube channel. All-time highs for both. I don't know if there's any sort of correlation going on there. But no, I've been posting on YouTube for like almost 4 years, which is crazy. We've been streaming for like almost 2.5 years or something. So a huge achievement. I appreciate all you guys who have ever tuned into even just one single video. Shared a lot of value on this channel, shitload of value. And I've been posting for a very long time. I'll tell you what I posted my first YouTube video. Posted my first YouTube video in July 2020. So over 4 years, which is pretty crazy. A lot of these old videos aren't even listed anymore. I got like an old video here, sniper entries on GJ, like 11% trade. Maybe we should start sharing these ones again. Lord Mayor. Matt account soon. If you see me ever start a man, run a mile, or come find me in person. Give me a slap, wake me up. You'll never catch me starting a man. I couldn't deal with that pressure. Yeah, futures haven't hit all-time highs, but I don't think it. Well, it might. But with the currency grabbing all-time highs and instantly selling off, if you close back bearish on gold, you could have some sells. Yeah, that's the thing. That's why you had to cut the futures trade when it hit all-time highs here on the currency chart. Because you can see here, currency chart literally just hit the all-time highs and sold off. Whereas on the futures chart, you didn't actually hit the all-time highs. Yeah, all-time highs in the futures. Yeah, what was it? 8.7. Oh, is that on that's the currency? Yeah. On the futures, all-time highs is 02.5. 02.5, but you can see here you didn't actually hit it. But on the currency chart you did. That's why it's so important to watch that currency chart. Futures chart never grabbed the all-time highs. So you'd be like, well, why is this selling off? Well, the currency chart literally just wicked out all-time highs and had to sell off. There's a pretty interesting correlation there. Congrats on 20k off to the gym. Thank you, man. Appreciate you tuning in. Appreciate it, man. Yeah, that's crazy. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, that's why, like, as soon as it gets grabbed here on a currency chart, you want to have your finger on the trigger to cut the futures. for this exact reason. It's pretty annoying if you don't see that before. But yeah, I've had that a few times. Congrats, Karen. Thank you very much. I appreciate it. Appreciate you tuning in. Enjoyed it. And I'll see you tomorrow as well. Yeah, it's interesting. Honestly, I don't know what the reason is behind it, but it's very interesting. It's very interesting. Like I say, there's a reason when I first started moving to futures, I would miss things like that. Like I'd be buying futures into all-time highs, and it wouldn't come anywhere near it. And I'd be like, what? Why didn't you grab the all-time highs like the normal liquidity guys we see? Well, you have a look at the currency chart, grab the all-time highs and having an instant sell-off. If you get a decent closure here on the hourly on gold, you could have sells all the way back down to that original level that we were talking about down here. Stream for about 1 to 2 hours, maybe, man. It depends on the price action, to be honest. If we get decent fake outs here on gold, we'll stick around, see if we get some sells, because that is a very, very nice grab at the all-time highs. But I want to see a decent breakout of this range. I want to see a decent breakout of this range. But yeah, I don't know. Maybe there is a. The only thing I can think of is just obviously the currency chart is much more manipulated. I don't know if there's an actual like proper reason behind it, or if anyone else has ever noticed it. But yeah, when I first started moving to the futures, yeah, it was really annoying. Now that's why it's so important just to look at both. I honestly I couldn't trade the futures chart without looking at the currency for that exact reason. How far away was it? It did come close. It did come close, but it didn't. What? It came 10 ticks away on the futures chart. Never grabbed the highs. Liquidate on the currency chart. Instant sell off. My volume's fluctuating. Oh really? Really? I'm not sure, man. Maybe I'm moving the mic too far away. Yeah, single bit knowledge about 2 charts is worth so much. Absolutely, man. Save you missing a lot of trades, that's for sure. More the break even, yeah. I mean, you could have like, thing is, you could have grabbed these all-time highs and just kept ripping. So it's like it was almost kind of worth holding it. Struggling to hear. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, I think it was worth it, to be honest, Craig. I think it was worth it. It could have paid off very well. The amount of times you've seen it break all-time highs and just spike up like 30, 40 ticks. Kind of like what we've seen. Was it yesterday in London? You came near. Was it yesterday in London? You grabbed some highs and you just keep spiking out even more. Yeah, it was kind of worth it, to be honest. Especially if it was only like, if you were only up like less than 20, I was like, yeah, it's not. I would rather risk 20 to make like 40, 50 pretty quick. Sounds fine for me. Cool. Copper here still. Copper's still gonna break out bearish, so no longs on copper. Definitely no longs. You're very bearish on copper. I don't really have any downside targets to short copper. You're coming in some pretty big levels, so copper will be off the cards for me today. But to be honest, we've had a very good week on copper. I'm not really too interested in trading copper. This was the first week I started trading copper on personal, and it's been a very, very good week. A very, very good week on copper. I only traded 1 contract as well. Nothing crazy. Can I see? Where's my copper trade? What did I take on copper? Was it Monday? Yeah, Monday. Monday took the copper sales. My first week trading copper on the personal. Only using 1 contract. I think it was about like maybe about $650 or something, which is pretty nice. Liquidity marks on copper. 23.8. Is that the next low? I think I got the one you mean, man. Is that this one? 23. Oh, it's the highest. 20 to the highest, right? Where are we? 23.80. Oh no, it's the lows. 23. Yeah, that is that area. This one around here. Oh, 20. Wait, 20. What am I talking about? 23.80. That's down here. This one. Yeah. Yep. I like that, man. I like that. Yeah, that'd be a big level. That'd be a big level. I don't know why that took so long, but we got there in the end. I mean, yeah, I honestly think the best situation for copper is going to be, you're like, look at this daily. This daily's come up, you've grabbed the highs. If this day closes bearish, 20k sub high. If this daily closes bearish, I think tomorrow, top wick on copper, and tomorrow you'll get some great sells. I almost think that the sells have pretty much happened today already on copper, and you're going to be coming into some very decent areas. So I would, if I was going to trade copper, I personally would rather wait for this day to actually close like this. You've come up, you've liquidated the highs. If you actually close bearish, yeah, amazing. I think tomorrow will be a much easier day than trying to figure out what it may do for the rest of the day. No. Sound of me trend line break. There is a, yeah. If you're talking about gold. So, because this is right. If you're talking about gold, this trend line, yeah, definitely. Come down and liquidate this. That's why I think if we get a decent closure on gold, where was our Asia level? I think honestly, it wouldn't be too crazy to see gold come all the way back down here. Everybody have a great day ahead. You too, man. You too. Have a good day as well, man. Yeah, he was number 20. So yeah, all I want to see, to be honest, I want to see. Look at this 4-hour on gold. This 4-hour could be huge. You could just be grabbing previous 4-hour highs, holding this resistance. Well, look how many 4-hour lows you haven't grabbed. This could have a pretty decent sell-off. I don't want to be just trying to predicting sells at all-time highs, but looking at this 4-hour, it's a very, very strong level. Or maybe even this 4-hour to kind of close resistance, top wick in the next 4-hour. We could be looking for something decent like that. Look at that work of art. That is a beautiful candle. There you go. Even better now. And then you can come back down to the levels that we spoke about in the Asian session. You didn't really grab. We kind of did grab these lows, but I mean, even here on gold, like even this level, before this push up here, what did you not really do? You never really re-grab the lows. Like here, you reject, you grab the lows, then you have to push up. You reject, you never re-grab the lows, and you pushed up. Cool, well that's going to become a nice liquidity level. I don't want you to invest in me, man. You don't need to. You tune into streams long enough, you'll see me share my screen with live accounts many times. I don't need you to invest in me, man. You just don't join. It's pretty simple. Colin says I'm kind of to get to 20. So what happens when you hit 20k subs. You can draw nice candles like that. Oil's flushing. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Yeah, oil is. I mean, if oil breaks back below 70, you could potentially see it. I just don't know where you'd really short into, because 70 is such a strong level. To be fair, this hourly could actually be pretty big here on gold. It's not going to be one I want to watch on the 5-minute though. But he's been here all the time, and I don't know what. Maybe blew his account today. He's having a bad day. Really? Yeah, he's always doing this, man. Always. Okay, so thank you, man. Appreciate it. Showed live accounts many of times, man. Many of times. Go ask the same people that you watch on the other streams that you watch, man, where your name pops up. See if they can show you the live accounts like I do. Yeah, I'm not even trying to stay on Discord. Don't join Discord. Keep tuning in these YouTube live streams for free. Monaco. Look at this 30 on gold. Ripping the highs, about to close back below. My favorite food. Appreciate you, Jay. I'll take that. Well, you can have a Lambo in the background of your stream. Well, I don't know if I can park it in here. The amount of people who are going to believe that as well. This is going to be a very strong 30-minute close here. No top wick in this current 15, but the hourly and 30 are about to close very, very bearish. Very bearish. Don't grab these lows, because I'd like to short into that. Yeah, bright green Lambo. It says 4x down the side as well. Oh, don't do it. This is huge. What a sell-off, by the way. What an absolute crazy sell-off. Right after you just liquidate them all-time highs. Now, we do still have all the way down here. Do I think that's going to happen now? I don't think so. I know, someone's actually already got it. Someone's already got it. I don't know who. Who has the audacity to take that? But someone already has it. Where is it? Where is it? There's a website you used to be able to check. I can't remember what it is. Ah. If it's the clan I'm thinking about, I know who it is, man. Where is it? Where can you check? No, I hope not, man. I hope not. Oh, that's pretty nice, Mark. That's pretty nice. You just grabbed the lows here on gold. Pretty decent instant rejection. 15 minutes still pretty bearish, though. The components. Yeah, thank you, man. Appreciate it. Appreciate you tuning in, man. Could take some sells here on gold in a second. 15. Oh no, what's this? On a BYD, that's ridiculous. That's so ridiculous. That shouldn't be allowed. I don't really like how we did literally just grab these lows and instantly reject. Like if we were to take sells here. Stops. What, here maybe? I don't know, man. Oh, that's painful. That's painful. I thought it used to be on a very fancy car. Or maybe they just registered it. Expiry on the 18th to 12th. I'll be there. The goat is available. Really? That's quality. Why is Nightbot spamming? What are you doing, Nightbot? I don't have to apologize, man. I don't apologize. It's a good question to ask, but I've shared it many times, man. Watch other streamer covering NY Train Similar Approach? Yeah, because he's a snake who copied me. That's why. Go ask him for a live account, man. Let me know what he says. Liquidity grab is available. That's quality. The goat's pretty good. That's pretty funny. You have to have an obnoxious card to have that, though. If you guys are wondering why I'm not like jumping in shorts here, I just like really don't like this ugly range. You know, we did have a nice high, but like we grabbed the highs. Let me clean this up for a second. We grabbed the all-time highs. We closed back below, but we are kind of still in a bit of a tough area. Like, look to the left. This is still a very, very strong level. Like, we're not just rejecting off nothing. We're rejecting off this big level here. A closure below here, you know, I think would be much safer because your next target's kind of down here. Anywhere in here is, yeah, it's pretty tough. Everyone drop 100 lot. All right, I'm in. I'm in. I'm short, yeah. I would like to get short as well. This is just if you are short, it's just a level to be wary of. Let's see. 20. Yeah, Swinchos, yeah, I think so, man. And that's what I'm kind of looking at for more of a high time. Nah, no trades, man. I tried to get the buys up here into the all-time highs, but it didn't really give me a bottom wick, so I couldn't execute it. But other than that, no, you haven't, like, we look at it, I hadn't really done too much. It's also view up support. I don't know what the fuck that was. Someone just came into my house. Yeah, back at that view up support. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I don't know what the hell's going on. Either Sammy's causing havoc or someone's breaking into my house. I don't know which one. Yeah, quite a few hours to go on the 20-hour stream. 5-minute just closed doji there on gold. Coming back down. We should wait before calling the police. Pretty decent bearish close on oil. I'm not trading oil. Copper's still ripping down as well. Damn, copper. I miss copper. I miss copper today. But the way that this gold is grabbing the lows and holding support makes me think that this could actually start to pull back. And if I was going to get short on gold, I would rather get short on here on the higher time frame, like a 4-hour next top wick, and be looking for more of a bigger trade like that. Kind of got that sort of left shoulder head, come back up for that big right shoulder, which will also be the next top wick of the 4-hour, and then potentially look for the decent sell. No one was breaking in, and Sammy was asleep on the couch, so I could have possibly just been hearing things. Ah, it's a real shame to see this pushed down. Yeah, swing trade still off the 30. Yeah, I kind of agree there, man. To be honest, I still think even if you just wait for this 30 to actually close, next 30 top wick, to me that makes the most sense. 20 healing points. Like all of this, you know, it's a big strong alley. This alley could reject at any point. Break even on the sell, yeah, nice man. Where did you get it from? Did you take this one, the first 15 one, or this one? Sorry, you got on at 96.3. 96.3, yeah, nice. Yeah, that view app support is pretty strong. I think if I was short in gold, you know, this is my management point. Because this is a strong level. And I do like pullbacks into this sort of left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Yeah, that's such a good, fucking crazy question. It leaves the front door open. Someone comments, you can put them to sleep. Live on stream. Yeah, break even's good there, man. Break even's good. It's a strong level. It's still, you know, it's still a pretty tough range. The only painful thing this morning is just watching this copper dip, because it's just so nice. Again, this copper push down is just absolutely beautiful. No, I don't know what that is. Setting me up. He's trying to set me up here. Like, this is just a look just compare the two. This is gold. This is copper. The only thing with copper is like the nicest sells were kind of around, yeah, like around here, like shorting in here. So yeah, I mean, you know, in hindsight, you would have squeezed out down to here. You're also kind of holding support. You would have imagined maybe deeper retracement before pushing it. So selling here, trying to get a risk reward that makes sense, yeah. But again, it's just interesting to see that copper. Not all the time, you know, there was maybe the other day where gold was nicer, copper was a bit shit, but I think it's quite good to see sometimes when gold's messy, we go look at something else, or when copper's messy, we go look at gold. Like yesterday, I think it was yesterday in Asia and London, copper was insanely messy, but we had some amazing buys on gold, and we just kind of now flick between the two, you know. And two's enough, to be honest. Two's more than enough. I don't need to add any more than that. I think two's more than enough. Gold and copper together give, yeah, more than enough opportunities. More than enough. But it is nice to see that, yeah, these copper trades are really playing out. Like I say, this week is the first week I've actually taken a personal copper trade. I'm going to get a little bit more comfortable with it. And from what I've seen so far, I haven't gone lower than the 30-minute on copper. I find if I go lower than the 30-minute on copper, it starts to get a bit messy. I don't even look at the 5-minute. I don't even look at the 5-minute. 5-minute's fucking crazy. So it's more so one that you just kind of execute and manage off alerts. But yeah, it's a really nice breakout. Whereas gold is gold's all the way back up. Gold is all the way back up. Let's have a look at tilt here on gold. Holding that VWAP pretty well. Someone's definitely breaking in this house. 49% people long, 51% people short here on gold. We are coming up into that interesting head and shoulders level, which I was talking about. I really don't know if the futures charts will grab these all-time highs. It wouldn't surprise me, you know, like most people do go off the futures charts. Like if you were to see headlines, it's probably mainly the future chart's the most reliable. And you come that close to all-time highs that I would be very surprised to see the futures not grab all-time highs. A little sell-off here on gold. 15-minute close coming up. Silver. Let's have a look, man. Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Much nicer move as well. Big correction up. Did you grab the highs? No. Big sell-off. I think Nasdaq's probably the main boomer here for London today. Absolutely insane. Absolutely ridiculous. And Ash is nowhere to be seen. I don't know if that's a coincidence, Ash. Where are you, mate? Tough. Live in the future. Ask me anything. Where is gold going for the next 15 minutes? That's what I want to know, man. Where's gold going in the next 15 minutes? I don't ask so much. Yeah, it's all good, man. YouTube algorithm's promoting it because he's watching everything we do and copying it. That's why, man. Up 40 for the day. Take it. Yeah, take it, man. Take it. Don't force it. These all-time highs, man. You get plenty of opportunities. Even tomorrow, I think copper tomorrow will be very interesting to watch. Yeah, getting a bit of a chop here now on gold. Yeah, break even or loss. Yeah, I'm down on my combine today slightly, trying to take these gold buys and these all-time highs. I was in a little bit too early to the party. Combine's down minus about 280 today. Took a few stabs at the buys into all-time highs. This is just a little bit too early. Yeah, break even or loss is good. Yeah. I'm up $2.92. Right. You're on. He's treating us. Eddie is treating us today. Yeah, you're shalv, yeah, 100%. 15-minute close bullish there on gold. If I had an upside target, I would consider this flip because you grab the lows, you close bullish, but I don't really want to get trapped in this range. I have never traded silver, man. Nah. Maybe once, like from a swing perspective, a long time ago. I honestly haven't. We were looking at it back in when we were in Bali. Was it when we were in Bali? Brett was talking about it for like a big, massive, like all-time high breakout. No, sorry, not all-time high breakout. Like a 2-year-long breakout. From a perspective to come near all-time highs again. Like you ranged from a higher time frame, big swing perspective from July 2020 all the way until May 2024. And now you've actually broken out. You've held some major support and you're trying to have a big push. Which is pretty crazy. We were looking at, I think we were looking at, yeah, maybe back here in June time. 35 dollars wasn't too far away. But yeah, the fact that silver ranged for 4 years was insane. Absolutely insane. I mean, even here, you know, it can range from 2014 all the way until 2020. Obviously, it's a monthly time frame. I'm not swing trading for the next fucking rest of my life, but yeah, that's the only reason I stopped trading it as much, because gold was just having much nicer higher time frame moves. Yeah, a bit of a chop here on gold. I think I've traded silver, yeah, honestly maybe like once. That's all good, man. Good dreams, yeah, of course, man. Pleasure having you in. Whenever we do take some trades, man, I'll show you any live account stuff like that as well, man. Anytime. But yearly P&L is a bit personal to me. I still show like every month. I got a funded payout coming in 3 days as well, which would be nice. We'll share that. I traded it once. Traded it once this month. Made about 3,500. I haven't touched it since. That'd be a nice little payout incoming in 3 days. On the higher time frame FTMO account, got the account maybe February. Been averaging 2 to 3% every single month, which is, you know, over the whole year, it's a pretty decent return. That's a very decent return. All right, guys. There's no point watching this. We're creating some pretty ugly ranges. You guys on Zoom, I will update you guys probably at the next hourly close. There's not really too much as point as us watching this here and now. We're creating some pretty ugly ranges. We're near all-time highs. We've just grabbed and we're at some very, very messy areas. So I'll wait for the next hourly close, which is like 32 minutes away. There's no point us watching that. So I'll update you guys in Discord after. I appreciate you guys tuning in. Hope you guys had a good day on here anyway and got some value. And I'll talk to you guys in Discord later on. Talk to you guys soon. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye. Thanks, Bradley. Thank you, man. All right, YouTube fam, I'm gonna wrap up there. Bit of a chop day here on gold. Spoke about the buys into all-time highs. You grabbed it. Entry, not as easy. Congrats to Antonio who won the 1 month giveaway into the community. And thank you all very much for helping me hit 20,000 subscribers. I appreciate all you guys who took the time to tune in. And I'll see you guys same time again tomorrow. Trade safe. Gold's at all-time highs. Don't force it. And we'll be back tomorrow. I'll see you guys then. Peace.